Shihab from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, my problem is 2 years ago I started, I wanted to pray Salah consistent, but I prayed and I left it. It was not consistent. And 2 months ago I became consistent. Now that I remember that many of my Salah were Qada or due, became due because of sleep reasons. I did not pray those because those piled up over time. Now I do not know the exact number of Qada Salah. What do I do now?
You should not do anything other than to repent to Allah, ask Him for forgiveness, feel deep remorse, and continue to be consistent with your fard salat. What is gone is gone. You cannot make qada for that, because that salat was timed at a specific time and you did not honor this. If you overslept, the only way to make it up is to pray it as soon as you wake up. If you didn't, it's gone. Nothing can compensate for it. So move on and forget the past while being remorseful. Muhammad from Malaysia.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
I want to ask regarding the dhikr after salah. Like some says that you can't move or talk to anyone doing it, but there's also some that says like recited after the end of obligatory prayers. So does this mean that both you can't move, or is it only the one that says it?
The hadith that says that you do not move refers to being rewarded as if you're still continuing to pray. So while I'm praying 4 rak'ahs, I am being registered at the sight of Allah that I am offering a fard prayer. I have this much reward, and the meter is ongoing. When I make salam, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, assalamu alaikum, and I'm still sitting in my position, the meter is still going. I am in salat. So if I stay there for half an hour, I would have been registered and credited for half an hour of salah, though I'm just sitting, maybe scrolling my mobile, maybe just sitting, but I'll be rewarded. If I move, the meter stops. But the dhikr you do, whether sitting or standing or leaving the masjid going home, is still valid and accepted.